Hey everybody, welcome to WP EasyCart's how-to series for WordPress. This little series again is just geared up to give you real quick introductions to how to do simple tasks within WordPress without spending a lot of time and energy and without going out and researching. Just how do you install a theme, how do you install plugins, how do you make your site secure, just really simple videos. So this video we're going to talk about today is how to install themes. And so let's just get started here. We're going to run through this really quick. Of course, this topic could be huge. We don't want to do that though. We don't want to overwhelm anybody. So let's just look at the basics. Okay, a theme in WordPress is great because it takes your entire site and it designs it for you. People have spent hours and hours and hours creating a look. That includes how is the footer going to look, what's the pages going to look like, what's the fonts going to be, as well as where's your logo, where's your menu going to be. The theme controls all of that. It's the number one thing outside of installing WordPress that you really have to consider. And the better the theme, the easier your entire site's going to be to manage. I can't stress enough how important the theme is because it affects every page and it encompasses the entire site. And a lot of people try to skimp on these. They try to find free themes. But I would really encourage you to go out and look at a really high quality theme. They might cost $50 and it's $50 well spent. So let's take a look. When you want to install a theme, you just go to themes. Let me jump back over here real quick. You just go to appearances and themes and you can add new. And you can usually upload a zip file. You can search for them here. If you purchase one, you probably will want to go upload and you'll just look for the zip file and install it. And when you install a theme, it's going to be back here in your theme section, and you can sit here and you can activate different themes, and you won't lose any content by doing that. You can click on any of these themes and you can actually delete them if you want to, and you can get a little bit more information. Now, WordPress comes out with some very basic themes every year. You can see these like 2019, 2020, 2021. They do a kind of a basic theme, but they're not good at all. And I really encourage you to spend $50 and get a real good quality theme. You get support and you get updates and you get all the tools that these guys have put in. Enfold is a really good example. We use it all the time here. Because it has really good, easy to use tools. Divi is very popular. It's got a great page builder. So once you install a theme, okay, you can see this one is running Enfold. You're going to get a couple ways to customize it. One is this customize button. Now, almost all themes are going to have some very basic stuff here, and this is by no means how you actually use a good theme. This is just the very basics. You'll notice you can adjust maybe the site identity. There's really no settings in here for colors, for uploading a logo. You might wonder, where is everything? And that's because when you install a good theme, it's going to have usually its own menu get attached. So once you install your theme, look around in your menus. You might see a menu like Enfold has here that lets you do all the theme options. And when you click on that, this is where you can go through and actually start customizing your site. You can see you can pick general layouts. You can pick all these different color combinations already pre-designed for you. You can do advanced styling. You can pick out what the header is going to look like, what's the footer going to look like, custom elements, social media, Google Analytics. You can see all this stuff gets thrown in here with a good theme. Now, if you jump back to appearances and let's say you just install a free theme, let's say we take 2020 and activate it, you'll notice you don't have a menu over here. It's just a default WordPress theme. You can go into customize, and they've got some basic stuff in here like color. You can pick certain things like upload a background image. We're talking very minimal. You can see out here what the design looks like, which is really bad. We really don't recommend using these. They're great for testing. If you ever have an issue or something's having an issue on your site, you can actually engage these. But really, if you're going to use a site, I really encourage people to get a good theme. It's $50 well spent. Okay. The other thing you get, besides having a lot of different layouts and styling options, you're usually getting more than one theme. You're getting a whole bunch of themes. And so, for example, this one in Fold, it has a demo importer. And so you can come into usually your theme and you can look through all the different sites that it offers here. They all have different looks, all different unique, some for photography, some of them for businesses, some for restaurants. And this is just one theme. You paid for this, so you can sit here and install these demos. And so you're really getting more than one theme. Consider buying these, you get, a 20 or 30 different styles. So that's one great benefit for installing a theme. The other thing you might consider too is the page builder. Now, it used to be a theme kind of created the shell of your site, and if you look around here, the page content here looks really good. It's got great visuals to it. It's got nice fonts, nice choices, some designed buttons. This content, you don't want to have to hand code this. And when you get a good theme, they're going to come with what's called a page builder. So not only do you get the outside shell of a theme, but if we jump back over here and go to pages, you're going to get a nice page builder. So let's say we're going to create a new page. Okay, and with a free theme, you're going to probably be stuck using this section. Okay, this is just your raw WordPress editor. And if you want to put something in there, you're going to have to hand code it, and it's going to be a pain. But if you get a good theme like Enfold or Divi, they're going to come with a page builder. So for example, Enfold comes with an advanced layout editor. And what it does is it throws this really cool little bar here. It's easy to use. It's got all your components in there, and it lets you really customize your page content. So maybe you just want to have 2x2 columns. You can throw in a couple columns, maybe go back to a single column. Maybe below that you want to have 3 columns. Okay, and so you can easily and visually build out a page. You can come into your content, you can grab a text block over here, or maybe you want an image on this side, and now all of a sudden you've got these really nice draggable blocks that you can move around and create your site with. So this is where your money is well spent. You're able to create pages very easily with your theme. It's all going to look good. It's all integrated with your theme. If you use Divi, for example, which is a really popular one, you can use Elementor, or you can use their own Divi builder. It's going to have something similar to this where you can build different layouts quickly and easily. So definitely worth going for and getting a good theme. So it's a really simple process. I know that's really quick and brief. We're going to try to keep these short and sweet. But if you're interested in how to install a theme, you just go to Appearances and Themes. You go Add New, and you can upload one. You can, once you're installed your theme, you can switch back and forth between themes, and you should get a new menu for it as well. And consider that page builder. That page builder is really where it's going to save you time once you start diving into your actual content. So simple process. If you have any other questions about WordPress, check out our other how-to videos. We've got some on how to secure your website, how to add users, how to do anything in WordPress that's very common. And